I know.
This is the fireworks. This is the fireworks that we're at right now. Kind of. No, okay. So yeah, this is really cool and the music plays, so this is on the background. But look at the fireworks, aren't they pretty? We just had to like run here because we went to pee. I'm the same, I'm the same, I'm the same, I'm the same. Yeah, that's me singing, but you know what? I don't care if I'm bad. I'm the same, I'm the same, I'm the same. Sorry guys, my memory just became really full. But yeah, this is the fireworks. Woo! Woo! I don't know if you can see us because it's really dark, but me and Amber, I think it's really dark, so the ABC ABC represent. Did you say wiggers?
I just said words. I said words.
I hope I don't see my parents. Hi, Mom. Oh, look, they're pretty. You know, it'd be cute if we were all here with our boyfriends as well.
We don't have boyfriends.
None of us have boyfriends, but that's not the point. I like this song. That's true. You can't see us, it's too dark. Amber's too dark. That was Amber singing, if nobody got that. We'll edit some of this so that it's not all linked, it's a bit boring. I'm going to stop videoing. Okay, us three are going to have sand all in our shorts because no joke, we got here just as the fireworks started and we skidded to sit down. Sorry. We skidded to sit down, so we're all going to have sand in our shorts. Not very good.
And that'll be funny.
Well, video is trying to get the sand out of our shorts, apart from you won't see anything, so yeah. Sucks to be you.
Look at the little spirally ones, they look like Christmas trees. They look like Christmas trees. Yeah, they do.
Apparently the spiral ones look like Christmas trees, but I'm not sure how. Amber, twit pick it.
Oh, where's my phone? Beth, can I have my phone quickly?
Okay, I'm leaving the camera on for this song. That looks pretty. I've got a pretty shot here. Turn up the music. Oh my god, there's people in the water. I don't think you can see, but yeah.
Look how instead I have my bag.
It's too dark.
Oh my god.
Beth has a lot of sand in her bag. That was a pretty purple one. Let's sing, guys. Woo! That made a noise.
Whoa. Oh.
I'm infected by the sound. Beth's laughing at me because I'm singing. Clean up, no, he never cleans up because he brushed up. He never brushed up. He does nothing, the boy does nothing. Never washed up, does he clean up? No, he never cleans up, does he brush up? He never brushed up. He does nothing, the boy does nothing. Hey boy, have you been? We've got some really cool fireworks here, that's like intense. Oh my god. Okay, there were some really intense fireworks, but I was releasing videos, so I just missed that. Just to let you guys know. Sorry, I'm an epic fail at this. Five minutes.
But there's been like 3 songs.
Yeah, but they're half songs. It's like a minute of each song. Where's the music even coming from?
Over there on the jetty. They've set up.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see, but over there they set music up. Yeah, you can't see it, but whatever. Oh wait, you can. Where that light's flashing that you guys can see is where the music is coming from. Some of the songs are alright, but some are bigger. There's the breakwater, where we can go when we're 18.
Jane wrapping up the breakwater.
Oh my god.
I don't care. I'm not with it. For no reason whatsoever.
I've taken 21 pictures.
20 of the fireworks. We have so many of us up at the lookout on my camera. Amber seems to know this song. I've never heard it. There's people in the water. See, wait, you can't see it, but there's two little dots right where my finger is. There's people in the water. Kind of wait. Oh, and over there. So say hi to YouTube. Amber's there, but you can't see her. Beth's there. Oh, you can see Beth. I don't think you can see me. Whoa, epic fireworks right there. Epic! Epic! The camera's moving because I'm dancing.
Everybody.
Dance with me, guys. Okay, these fireworks events are getting pretty alright. I expected them to be more spread out. They were last year. That's why we should go over there. That's where the fireworks are coming from. We asked the policeman if we could walk over to the other side of the bridge instead of walking the long way around, but he said no, and we just figured out why. Fireworks are kind of coming from that direction.
I love it when they make that noise. They're like,
Here's all the people behind us. You. All the people that are watching the fireworks. And over here as well. There's like an epic amount of people. It is ridiculous. All across there. Hi. And Amber. Whoa. They're pretty. They look awesome in the camera.
do they? Oh wow, they look kind of blurry, but it's like awesome.
Yeah. I got it.
Wrong bit.
I got it.
Sure.
I had that feeling. That tonight's
There, all those people.
Tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Feeling. That tonight's gonna be a good night. We may have to put music over this. That tonight's gonna be a good night.
Wrong bit.
That's so concentrating. Okay, he was.
Like how hurting my ears.
They look at that in the camera, Albert.
Wow.
Check it out in the camera. How close is that? That's where I'm watching them from the camera. That looks epic.
You're like,
Don't you guys all wish you were here? Oh yeah! I would be wishing if I were you lot.
they're like taking that stuff.
Come on, people going in the water. Right to the top. You sing the bit about alcohol. Oh. And shut it down.
And then we'll do it again.
Whoa.
Go down into the cans and like,
Oh my god, check that out. I apologize if you guys can hear us singing, but you know what? We're having fun, so we really couldn't care less.
oh Charlie, you're so cute.
Amber's still singing, you can't see it, but you know. This is a 3-minute video of fireworks.
That's cool. That's
We can cut it though.
I'll split.
Whoa, yeah. We'll go on that other thing that you glow sticks,
Yeah,
don't
there's
they?
people with like glow sticks, but all you can see green light, right?
And the fire team, thank you very much, guys. Hope you have a wonderful evening. I'm DJ The
Said
Glass. Drive safe, and don't forget the cafeterias and restaurants are still open should you wish to have a bite to eat before you leave.